Hello my friends, best greetings from Kiev, the capital of Ukraine, and today May 26, 2015. My name is Victor Fursov and today I'm in my kitchen and I'm sipping the tea. And by the way, enjoying nice Ukrainian honey. Yes, collected last season. This season white acacia honey will be coming very soon. I will taste it very soon, maybe next weekend or even this weekend. But today I'm going to talk with you not about honey, not about my frames. You will see here different kind of frames and honey here, but I will talk a little bit about terminology on beekeeping, and it can be interesting not only Russian speaking audience, Russian speaking beekeepers, students, but maybe for other students and other viewers of my channel who is living in other countries. And I will tell you some explanation of different terminology about bees inside beehive in English. Maybe it can be interesting and you will understand different terminology about bees and also about working functions of bees, because today I will talk only about bees. I would need to say the first term, well, social bees, but bees were making social organization, and this social organization actually bee colony, honeybee colony. This is not a family, this is a honeybee colony, but some bees were living just alone, they are making just not a colony, they are making only the tiny nest, usually underground, inside different holes or inside the cavity, so they are solitary bees. Well, and what else? The next term, package bees. This is the term only about honeybees. If you are buying some bees for your beehive and you bought it in a special package with only 3-4 frames with bees, this is actually package bees. Package bees used to establish, to maintain a new colony, to hive bees in a new beehive. Well, they are package bees. And of course, if you are just taking your bees on your frame and you just put them back inside the hive, these bees called shaken bees. Shaken bees. You are shaking your frame in all your, like this. Oh well, falling down. All your just bees were falling down from your frame inside. Well, I will show you with the frame. It's easier. So shaken bees, and I will tell you later about these interesting frames. This is for next video, by the way. Well, and what else? Lining bees, lining bees. Bees, they're just going somewhere. They're going somewhere, and this is a line, the direction where they are going. So the bees which are going directly just to forage something, they are lining bees. They're showing direct line where they are going, directing special destination. Lining bees. And of course, I need to say these bees will be field bees. Field bees, they're coming this way, or they will be foraging bees, collecting honey. Collecting honey, they are foragers. They're collecting honey, they're collecting nectar, by the way, and bringing back nectar back and making honey. But I missed some words, some terminology more. And of course, in a beehive, you know, the first bee in beehive, this is a queen bee. Queen bee just surrounded with a lot of, probably 40,000, 60,000 of worker bees. Queen bee, worker bees, and of course later will appear drones. Queen bee and worker bee were females. Queen bee fertilized bee and worker bees unfertilized bees. And drones, they are males. And queens and workers were females. Okay? And of course, what's about another function of bees? they're making colony, organization, and some bees standing just nearby, near beehive, near the entrance. They're guard bees. They're guard bees. They're protecting beehive from different predators and from different robbers, from anyone else who want to come inside honey to steal honey. So these bees, guard bees. And if you are looking inside beehive, some bees they have a function of cleaning, to clean beehive, to take off different dust, to clean cells, to clean other bees, to help them just to be cleaned from the water, from some dust and everything else. So they are cleaning bees, cleaning bees. And of course, next term is about just emerged bees from cell, from a pupa. This just hatched bee will be young bee. If you're just young boy, you can imagine, or you're young girl, so some bees were also young. Young bees were very young, just only hatched from the cell. Hatched from the pupa. Okay, young bee. And if you are working, they're tired, they're not destroyed, they're just dying slowly. They're working just for a month, for 2 months, and then this generation is dying, so they're becoming hairless bees. They're losing their hairs, and they're becoming old bees. Some bees they will overwinter, for instance, from August till the next March, April, but some bees will just die in the end of season. So these bees, old bees, or they're becoming bald bees. They have no hairs. Bald bees. And of course, if I said about bees who are flying just directly to collect nectar, so they fly somewhere. So they're flying bees, or you can say they're field bees, because they're flying to the field to collect nectar from the flowers and bring the nectar to the honey beehive to make honey. Just because nectar will evaporate, bees will add some ferments, some additives, ferments like lysocene and different stuff, and they will eat it, and they will extract it, and will produce honey. So these field bees, they're just collecting honey, and other bees inside, they're producing honey inside beehive. But coming to the field, these bees are named foraging bees, foragers. By the way, other function of bees, if some bees come into your honey or to your beehive and want to steal honey, these bees are robber bees. They're stealing honey. They can find just open beehive, come inside and just stick off little bit honey and just steal it from another beehive. While next function is just searching for new place for the swarm, for new nest, for new beehive, and these, or just searching for foraging place, for flowers, and this function is belonging to scout bees. Scout bees are searching for a new place with nectar, with flowers, or searching for a new place for new swarming place, or just new place for new nest, honeybee nest. So scout bees. And of course, I should say the nurse bees. Nurse bee is a bee sitting inside the beehive and making service for other bees, and usually serving of queen bee. Nurse bee, feeding other, just larvae, feeding brood and feeding queen bee. Well, and next term, this is a water carrying bee. Water carrying bee which is carrying water inside beehive from somewhere else, from outside. So water carrying bee, and of course, if bee is carrying just a nectar, this will be honey-laden bee. Bee with nectar, or just you can say with honey. Honey-laden bee, carrying nectar. Nectar-laden or honey-laden bee. And of course, inside beehive, there is a special bee which is building the comb. There are many of them, but one bee will be maintenance bee. Maintenance bee which is building the comb, building the nest. Maintenance bees. Well, as I said about water current bee, there are a lot of wax-making bees. Wax-making bees. They're just producing wax and making wax for combs, just for brood and for honey, and to make just combs inside beehive. Well, and of course when bees were dying, they are dead bees. So you see the term dead bees. Dead bees. Some bees which are in your beehive, you say they are just honeybees, or you can say about them they're house bees. They're house bees. But if you're collecting your honeybees from the forest, or maybe from the cavity, from the wild place, these wild, particularly wild bees are named feral bees. Feral bees, they're just coming from outside, from the forest or from natural environment. And if you know, just bees, they have a feature of swarming in May, June, in the beginning of the season. So these bees are making swarm. So these bees, swarming bees. Swarming bees, they're making swarm. They're just this is just a part of a colony, and this part of colony fly away just somewhere to maintain just a new honeybee colony. So these bees, swarming bees. Okay, that's actually part of terminology which I would like to tell you about bees. So this is my lovely assistant came to you to say some greetings for you. Hello, hello, best greetings to you as a beekeeper, student of English, or just lover of nature. Just together we want to say you subscribe to my channel, follow to my channel about beekeeping, about entomology, about nature, about traveling. See you soon, good luck, and subscribe to my channel. It will be new video about new terminology on beekeeping, and it will be more video about nature and about entomology and about traveling. Good luck, see you soon, subscribe to my channel. Good luck, my name is Victor Fursov, follow my channel on name Victor Fursov. Good luck.